Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I show you how to log out of your Amazon account from all devices. So what you want to do is open up the Amazon app like I've done here and log into your account on this specific device if you haven't already. And then once you're logged in, you want to tap on your Amazon profile icon. It's the little image of a person or avatar. Just tap on that there at the bottom. And then once you're here, you'll see a couple of things at the top. The one that you want to select is the one that says Your Account. Tap into Your Account. And then once under Your Account, you want to scroll down to where you see Account Settings. And then you're going to see something under Account Settings that says Devices. Tap into Devices. And then once here, you're going to see all of your different Amazon accounts, like your Amazon Proper, Amazon Kindle, Prime Video, Amazon Music. We want to tap into Amazon, or if it's another one of those services, you can choose that as well. And then once under Amazon, you're going to see a list of all of the devices where your Amazon account is auto-logged in, right? So what you need to do here is you need to, for every one that you want to log out of, you need to go ahead and tap on Deregister. And then it says deregister this device, and it will remove all content from the device and many features will not work. And you'll have to register your device again. Are you sure you want to do this? Tap into Deregister and you are good to go. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.